this video, let's talk about how to determine the Toyota wheel spacer size for your Highlander. Let's go. The safest Toyota Highlander wheel spacer should make sure wheel setup meets the correct geometry as well as regulations. The thickness of spacers varies by your new tire clearance. The most common way is to measure the distance from the outer tire edge to the fender line. Assuming this distance is 20 mm, with 20 mm Toyota wheel spacers, you can bring the wheels and tires flush with the fender. Installing wheel spacers below this thickness usually will be very safe and benefit. The Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are one of the most cost-effective solutions to stop the robbing. Clear brake caliper interference. Achieve a powerful stance. Enhance the handling of currents and serving, and more. By creating more space between the wheels and the hub assembly, they prevent wider tires from contacting the inner suspension part. These Toyota Highlander wheel spacers make your off-roading machine perform better in 4x4 events. Always choose genuine brand Toyota Highlander wheel spacers, no matter the price. In order to maximize performance, bonus spacers provide an FT cooling function. There is a plateau-shaped cooling groove that allows the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The flowing air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat through the braking system. Such Toyota Highlander wheel spacers boost heat dissipation efficiency and reduce brake thermal decay, improving road safety. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with good Toyota Highlander wheel spacers, then look no further than Bonus. Bonus manufactures a huge range of Toyota Highlander wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. These are made in an independent factory to the highest quality, and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. All Bonus Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision Toyota Highlander wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. The precision of Bonus Toyota Highlander wheel spacers has reached 0.02 mm after hot anodizing. The corrosion resistance of this Bonus Toyota Highlander wheel spacers is greatly enhanced. If you want to get the Bonus Toyota Highlander wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.